Hello friends, and welcome you all in our channel Dimensions. Friends, this is our third and last video about crossword platform. The wireframing of this platform and adding connection that we already covered in our previous video, and the link of this video we will provide on the description. You can go through that. So today we are going to see how to add a handrail on this platform as well as on the stair. So let's begin. So first we need to go application and component and select the handrail. For example, we are selecting here 102 for connection. After selecting this icon, select the component and pick the midpoint of this component. Then the handrail will be automatically generated here. In the similar way, select another member and select the pick point. In the similar way, we are selecting this beam and pick the midpoint of this beam. So friends, you can see here this platform is covered by the handrail, and the dimension of this handrail you can also edit it. As we can see, we need to add some space for the stair. So first we need to select this handrail, then go to the appropriate view. For example, this view is more suitable. Select this handrail and pick the work point and take the reference of this post and add some space. Let's say it's 100 millimeter. First we delete this post and we are going to create equal space post here. So first of all we need to create number of points here. Let's say it's 2 or 3 points we are taking here, and selecting the first post, then copy it and pick the midpoint, then place on this point. Let's look better. All the members are separate. If you want to add welding here, then we just need to go to steel, then select the welding. You can also change the color of this handrail. Okay, now go to steel, select welding. Suppose the upper pipe is our main component, then select the other part where you wanted to add the welding. This one is our main part and vertical post is our secondary part. In the similar way you can create the welding. Now this is our weld frame. Again we are selecting the same component and selecting this stair. Before doing this operation, don't forget to on the select part in component. Again select the other post and pick the midpoint. You can copy this elbow and move it to the other assembly. Okay, now again copy and pick the some reference point. Suppose this one is our reference point, and pick this reference to other point of this post, then it will be copied. Now there is one small space for handle, so selecting the smaller member of this stair, place one vertical post here. Now go to the front view of this stair. Suppose I wanted to delete this handle and I wanted to create some other handle with this reference point. Copy and add some distance like 500 millimeter. Here we are taking the poly beam. The benefit of this poly beam is that you can create the number of points that you can easily move it according to your requirement. Here we did not have any reference point, so we are moving some other way. For example, we are creating some reference point here and offset this reference point in upward direction like 500 millimeter. In the similar way, we are creating another one and remove all this handle. We keep only post here. Move this post from here to bottom point of this stair. This one is also moved to downward. From here to this point. Okay. Now go to the poly beam. Take the reference point and create one pipe here. Change the profile. Here we are go with a circular hollow section. Suppose we are taking the diameter 40 millimeter and the thickness around 2.3. Now okay. Change it to the middle. Okay. Select the corner of this handle and add some radius here. Suppose we are taking 100 millimeter. Add one more member between these two posts. So here our stair handle is ready. Copy this handle and paste to the another one. Here you can also change the color of this handle. In the similar way, you can individually select all the post and handle, then change the color. So friends, this is all about the crosswork platform. Here we learn how to create a wireframing of this platform, how we create a connection between the member, and how we can easily create the handle in the platform as well as the stair. So if you like this content, then please share with your friends, and if you have any doubt about this video, then you can comment on this video. We will try to answer you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.